Most people will never build massive shoulders, not because they don't train them, because they train them wrong. They grab the heaviest dumbbells they can lift, swing every rep, let their traps do all the work, then wonder why their shoulders never grow. That's not shoulder training, that's just moving weight. You can fake abs, but you can't fake a pair of shoulders that look like they're carved from stone. So here's how to actually build them. Your shoulders have 3 heads. The front delts create thickness from the front. The side delts create width and give you that capped shoulder look. The rear delts complete the shoulder and create that full 3D appearance. Ignore one, and your physique will always look incomplete. Front delts. The dumbbell overhead press is one of the best options. Set the bench to around 75 degrees, not completely upright. It's more comfortable, puts less stress on your lower back, and allows a smoother pressing path. Keep your forearms stacked beneath the dumbbells. Lower until you reach a full stretch. Then press straight overhead without bouncing the weight. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Side delts. This is where most people go wrong. They pick a weight that's too heavy. Swing the dumbbells, use momentum, and shrug every rep. Instead, keep a soft bend in your elbows. Lead with your elbows, not your hands. Raise until your elbows reach shoulder height. Lower the weight under control. If you have to swing, the weight is too heavy. 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Rear delts. The rear delts are one of the most neglected muscles in the gym. Most people turn every rear delt fly into a row. Instead, hinge at your hips. Keep your chest up. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows. Sweep your arms out wide. Squeeze your rear delts at the top, then lower the weight slowly under control. 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Train your shoulders twice per week. Progressively overload over time. Eat enough protein. Recover properly. Do that consistently. And eventually your shoulders won't just look bigger. They'll look like they're carved from stone. If you want a complete science-based muscle building system that covers every muscle group, every workout, and exactly how to progress, the Forge Foundation is linked in my bio.